Okay, I'm not sure where I am. Somewhere east of Roseville, California, near the Union Pacific main line. They have a cool little yard here for maintenance vehicles. Notice that crane, MP70, 316,000 pounds. They got a cool little trailer right there on the rail car, flatbed rail car. Actually, no, it's kind of crooked, not really that flat. It's like they converted a shipping container into a workspace or something. But what's really cool, look at this long flatbed car and it's got like a conveyor belt or something on it. Interesting. I'm not sure what it does, but it's really cool. Of course, it's 7 a.m. on a Sunday, so there's somebody out mowing his lawn. Oh, wow. The joys of the suburbs. Another crane, smaller crane. Well, it looks shorter because it's lower down. Come to think of it, looks like it's about the same size. It's weird, it's like both ends of the track are a dead end, so I'm wondering how do they use this equipment? Ooh, there's a good sound. I'm not supposed to run over the rocks. Alright. So UP 903099. Oh wow, see, this rail car here has got 3 axles at each end. It's kind of cool. And then just a regular flatbed car, 2 axles at each end. Boring. Okay. There we are. There's the mystery collection of stuff.